And we're picking up more breaking developments. India and China will soon hold the 11th round of Corps Commander level talks as agreed in the 21st meeting of the Working Mechanism for Consultation and Coordination, that is the WMCC on Border Affairs, held on Friday. The next round of commander level talks would be the second round of military and diplomatic talks after the disengagement from Pangong Tso region in eastern Ladakh began on 10th of February and continued for over a week. Senior commanders of Indian and Chinese Army held the 10th round of talks that took place on 20th February, following which we have been looking at a phased disengagement process that continues. Shivani, my colleague, is joining us with more details on this breaking development. So yet another commander level talk that will take place, the 11th round of talks. Shivani, what more can you tell us about the same?
Kursween, we know that after the disengagement, the 1 month has already been completed, and yesterday a WMCC meeting was held, the Working Mechanism for Consultation and Coordination on the border areas, wherein both the countries have reviewed the LAC situation post 1 month of disengagement that happened on 10th of February, that started on 10th of February. And now the countries have decided to hold another round of talks. That would be the 11th round of talks between India and China to resolve the LAC standoff issue. And it will be held within 10 days. That's what we are getting to learn, Kursween. And in this round, the untouched areas, the areas which have not been discussed upon, like the Depsang, the hot springs, and other areas where India and China still remain in standoff, the friction points, that would be discussed. And both the countries have also agreed to keep this communication on and to prevent, very important point here is to prevent any untoward incident, because we know that there are certain points at the along the LAC where both the armies are quite closely placed, and there has been situations and clashes and skirmish conditions. So the countries have they have also said that they will try to communicate, and on ground also they will try to prevent any kind of friction till the matter is resolved through dialogue. So very soon the 11th round of talks is to be held. The focus so far has been on the Pangong Tso region first up, but now perhaps with the coming round of talks, India could be insisting on faster disengagement at several other friction areas like pointed out by Shivani. We'll have to leave it at that for the moment. Thank you.